Check, check, check one, check, check. It's not just Shania Twain or Ed Sheeran in Saskatoon this week, so if you're not a fan of arena shows, don't fret. If you're watching this on Thursday, I implore you to go see Braids at Amigos. I love this band, and you should too. If you see a sweet Star Trek van in Saskatoon this weekend, it's just Danny Michel and his 1978 GMC Bandera. He recently bought the Spock-approved ride and is launching a webcast called Dan's Space Ride. He also plays village guitar on Sunday. And it's the Strata Festival this weekend. This Saskatoon-based festival showcases an amazing array of composers from Saskatchewan and beyond, plus some really talented musicians. The show I recommend seeing is The Krells on Saturday at Paved Arts. And make sure to get your entertainment fix at thestarphoenix.com, and we'll see you next week.